Hi again, everyone. This is Jared for February 4th, going over the trades this morning. Wanted to show you how I did. Alright, first of all, let me just pull up the chart first this time. Here's the morning, and what I wanted to show you is the opportunity there is to make money in the market. First of all, I generally trade the first half hour. I probably say that on every movie. But I'm going to show you a little bit about bit of what happened later on in the day. The market opened right here. It went down, and actually today was a real interesting day. It was a little bit I don't know. It was like the first part of the day, probably almost the first 20 minutes, was hard to find a clear signal for me. I know others in the Traders Club actually made money and made trades that I didn't trade up until I think the trade I entered was right here. Yeah, 950. And this one fooled me. I lost on this trade. Right here, I generally watch the 200 tick chart and the 1 minute chart at the same time. And I try and kind of read what's going to happen on the 1 minute chart. Well, to me, it looked like some divergence happening right here. Maybe I'm more on the 200 tick chart because it's not so clear on the 1 minute. And I entered the trade right at here at 9. Let me fix this chart a bit. Where did I enter? I think I entered right here. Going short at 938.75, something like that. And it filled, ran a tick my way, and then completely turned around on me. Well, I have a stop loss, and I actually saw that it was not going to go my way, so I got out and only lost a half point, which isn't bad. But that really wasn't a great trade to take. I don't exactly know what I was thinking there, except looking back at it, I can tell there isn't very clear signal to take that. But coming back, you can see how much the market was moving up, and I saw this great uptrend happening, so I held off and waited, and I got in on this candle here, and actually went long and made 2 points right here, and I was done. That's actually 10 o'clock right there. That's a half hour in the morning, and I made 15% on the money. Let me show you how this turned out for me. So we got the first loss, minus 5%, with a 2-point win for 15% on the money. That's not bad for a half hour. But look at what you could do if you hung out there and kept on trading. I'm trying to maybe get these charts so you can see the potential of how the market really moves. You got all this going up. I mean, that's a lot of points right there. A big winning potential for all those ups and even on those downs when you go short. And in the middle of the day, it doesn't move a whole lot usually. It seems to be flat. But look at this again. Towards 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock area, huge downtrend. A lot of money could have been made right there on at that point in the day, and then I don't know if I would have been trading in here. It looks kind of like a mess to me. But I really like it when it trends like that. If you trade with the trend, like the cliche in trading is, you'll be fine. You'll generally do well. Well, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time.